In this quick guide, you will learn how to share a Zoho Sheet so you can collaborate smoothly and securely with your team. Sharing a spreadsheet is one of the most important parts of working together, and Zoho Sheet makes the process simple once you know where to look. Start by opening the spreadsheet you want to share. Make sure you are signed into your Zoho account. Then select your document from the list or from your recent files. Once the sheet is open, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You will see the Share button, and this is where all collaboration options begin. Clicking the Share button opens a dialog box that lets you invite others. Type in the email addresses of the people you want to include, making sure everything is spelled correctly so the invites reach the right place. After adding your contacts, you will need to choose the permission level that suits each person. Zoho Sheet gives you several options. View lets someone open the sheet without making changes. View and comment allows them to leave feedback while keeping your data protected. Edit gives full editing access so the person can update information directly. And Share grants complete control, including the ability to reshare the file with others, so use that level carefully. Once you select the appropriate permissions, your sheet is ready to be shared. It's a quick, reliable way to work with teammates, clients, or collaborators while keeping your data in the right hands.